I want to show off something I've been working on these past few weeks. This is a modified version of Furnace, and so if I build it, I can show you what I've been doing with it. I'll load up Spring Yard, this remix I did for Expedition. Now, if I go to the export settings, we have a new option here. SMPS2ASM. So I can put in the label name. There's many presets and a lot of options. So what I'm going to do is export this to a Sonic 1 disassembly and see how it sounds. Hold on, this is the wrong window. So, it sounds pretty accurate to what it sounds like in Furnace. It's got the detuning and vibrato, all the instrument changes and volume changes. There's still a lot to do before I want to make it public. Well, I mean, it is public, but like before I have an official release. Oh yeah, there's panning too. Mapping the drums is just a matter of how you have your samples ordered, or if you use a sample instrument. I don't have them in the same order as they are in the ROM, which is why it's kind of messed up. And volume envelopes, you just name them what the envelope is, like, should be. And if it's a valid name, then it'll work. But yeah.